What's going on, guys? I'm just here to bring you a quick video of my Honda shift knob that I'll be installing, and I've already unscrewed it. It's nothing elaborate, it's just a quick video. So anyways, I'm actually going to measure them because I want to see the weight differences between the two. So I have the eBAY one here, which is all aluminum. It's not bad. It's a nice weight to it, and it actually mimics the Civic Type R. The knob I'll be installing is the OEM Honda Civic Si knob. So this is from a Civic Si knob. Now I like the fact that it has the pronounced the red lettering. It's very embossed, and the stitching, of course, with the leather mid all around. I like that, and the weight is about the same as the eBAY one. Now let's just go ahead and weigh them, shall we? Okay, so I'm going to zero it, and the first one I'm going to put on is the eBAY one. You can see it's 143 grams. Okay, so that's zero. This is the OEM Civic Si knob, 135 grams. Okay, so as we can see, the eBAY one is actually heavier. Wow. Now I like this knob and all, the eBAY knockoff, but man, I tell you, when it's hot, you can't put your hands to it. I mean, that's like, you just can't. And when it's cold, same thing. You need to wear a glove. So it's one of the reasons. Another reason is because I'm trying to go with OEM Honda. So of course I was trying to find this, and you know, a lot of them are overpriced still. And this is from a 2012, I believe, and up, Civic Si. It was brand new. I got it for 125 Canadian. But I just love it, and it also has the stem here on the bottom, so it actually sits in recessed of my inside my stock boot collar, so I don't need an aftermarket collar or anything. And yeah, so let's screw it on. I'll show you all the ones it's installed. It actually tucks right in, so I don't have to do anything. See that? The boot doesn't move. It's awesome. So if you guys want to get this knob and you have a stock boot with the collar, you can use it. You don't have to buy anything expensive like the hybrid racing collar kit, or buy a collar kit from Honda, from the Type R to do this. Yeah, it just sits up there, so we're good. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It wasn't too elaborate, but you know, it's just to give you an overview of both the knobs and the differences, but that's it. So please like the video, comment if you have any suggestions or concerns or anything, and subscribe. I'll keep making more videos. All right.